Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something really special, the interior of SEO Mud House. If you have ever been curious about sustainable living or just love cozy spaces, you are in for a treat. What exactly is a SEO Mud House? Well, it's a traditional dwelling made primarily of mud with straw or other natural materials mixed in. Not only is it environmentally friendly, but it also creates a unique, warm ambience that's hard to replicate. Let's start with the living room. Picture yourself sinking into plush cushions on a low wooden sofa, surrounded by walls crafted from mud and clay. The natural textures and earthly colors create a calming atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Moving on to the kitchen, it's not just a place for cooking, but a hub of activity and connection. In a SCM house, you will often find a simple yet functional kitchen, complete with a wood-wired stove and handmade clay pots. It's all about getting back to basics and embracing the beauty of simplicity. Of course, no mud house would be complete without a dining area. Here you will find sturdy wooden tables surrounded by mismatched chairs, each one telling its own story. Whether you are sharing a meal with family or hosting friends, this is the heart of the home. So, why choose a SCU mud house interior? Well, aside from its charm and character, it's also incredibly sustainable. By using locally sourced materials and traditional building techniques, you are reducing your environmental footprint and living in harmony with nature. Moreover, there is something truly magical about being surrounded by natural elements, from the earth beneath your feet to open sky above. It's a reminder to slow down, appreciate the beauty of simplicity, and find joy in the little things. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the SEO Mud House interior. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, take care and stay cozy.